out to achieve your ambitions today.
It's taking selfies on the beach. Holiday pics that cost a load to tweet. So Pete, come join 3 and then share shamelessly from USA to Italy. Alright, it's really alright.
What? I'm not going to be a film star.
Oh, I can handle it a lot. Got my head and shoulders.
Sorry, where's the
At least
cat?
you don't have to worry about flakes.
Where's the cat?
Head, shoulders.
This is the art of being spoiled.
I'm under your command.
Jump into a brand new kitchen. With B&Q's expertly crafted range, all competitively priced all year round. Plus, until 31st of January, get up to 3 years interest-free credit and no deposit.
You'd be smiling at the camera.
Never been a better time to buy the kitchen of your dreams with B&Q.
I don't know if I'm going to get a good picture out of it within there because it's dark.
Paintbrush, paintbrush,
It
paintbrush.
doesn't matter if it's filming, does it?
Thank you.
Johnston's Decorating Centres, sponsors of evenings on ITV4.
So what are we doing? Are you a TV star, Max?
Hello. Hello, Baba.
Is he okay?
That's right, it's Hamilton.
Yeah, I knew thinking about it. Escorts unlimited.
I'm going to stop.